So today is Saturday. It is almost 7 o'clock. I had work today. I got up at 3:30 and then I went for a walk with my mom, and then I went to the food store. So I got a couple things and I was like, you know what, this week I'm gonna figure out my meals and then 3 meals for dinner that I can do this week, and like try to incorporate more veggies to make it healthier and more voluminous in my meals, and just kind of switch it up a little bit. So I'm excited to show you guys what I got. Let's get started. Okay, got boxes upon boxes. All right, so this is my haul. I'm gonna take everything out and then show you guys. Okay, so I got a couple of things. Some of them are snacks for the girls, but I wanted to get more veggies this time. I'll just go over a couple of things I got. So let me see. I got Veggie. This is very good on protein, just in reading the macros. But I wanted to taste it for myself. I haven't tasted this yet, but for the macros, I can see that it's really good. Chicken breast. I got some mixed tomatoes, so I'm gonna try these. Excited to try those. Got some fruits. I'm gonna try this. I think I tried these before and I really like them. So I was thinking of that with hummus, a hummus dip, and I'm gonna mix in some of the tomatoes with it. I feel like that's gonna taste really good. What else? Got some Himalayan salt, some sweet peppers, zucchini, cucumbers, tomato, spaghetti, yellow squash, carrots, celery. Then I got some rice cakes. I was like contemplating if I should get rice cakes, because sometimes I'm in the mood for them, and then sometimes I just don't know. I just don't feel like it, because I mean, it's a rice cake, so I guess. But then I was thinking about all the things I could put on it, so I'm gonna try to use that. Got some feta, got some eggs, oranges, bananas, all these, green peas. I get the frozen sweet green peas, I like them. All right, so I'm gonna put these things away, get my fridge sorted out, and all of that, and hopefully start to meal prep soon.
Finally been riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while, haven't seen a smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, run down to the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
Yes.